Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Angelo Christian. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider. Today we're talking about 2021. It's officially here, and a lot of different guidelines, a lot of different loan programs coming out for this year, and some of the biggest changes for FHA. And so obviously with our podcast, our media, we try to bring you the most real-time news, information up to date to educate you guys out there. And today we're talking about the FHA, one of the biggest FHA, Federal Housing Administration, the changes for 2021. So I want to make you guys aware of what's going on with FHA loans. If you're in the middle of trying to get an FHA loan, it's important that you're aware of what those guidelines are to make sure you can actually get qualified and approved for the loan. So today we're actually going to talk about that. So if you're in the middle of trying to get an FHA loan, make sure that you meet these basic requirements, and you can always come back to this video, refer to this video on the whiteboard to see what those are. So any questions, any comments, remember, leave them down in the YouTube below. Give us a big thumbs up if you like the video. And so basically, if you guys know who I am, I'm Angelo Christian. We're a nationwide mortgage lender. We do commercial and residential lending and serve in America for almost 20 years. It's where America goes for funding. We have all different types of loan programs, and we're open 7 days a week for you. You can call or text our office at 832-431-6331. We actually answer the phone, we respond, we get back in touch with you. But anyway, we're going to go into the requirements today so you guys are aware to make sure you actually get approved for your home loan. So the biggest things that are changing for 2021 is right now FHA is actually requiring a 640 credit score, guys, to get your FHA loan. Now I will tell you, and I'm going to add this in there, that we help a lot of our clients with credit boosting. So what I always say is that we can bring you in the door with a 580. If you have a 580 middle credit score, we can bring you in the door with that credit score to accept you, to help you to get approved for the loan, to boost your credit score up to 640. But right now, that's the middle credit score they're actually wanting to see to get the loan approved. So remember, you have 3 credit scores. You have Equifax, TransUnion, Experian, and they're looking for that middle credit score to be 640 or higher. The other thing is that the debt ratios, this is the back end debt ratio. On the front end, they don't want your debt to income ratio to be more than 45%. That means that your house payment can't exceed 45% of your income, okay? Your back end debt ratio can't exceed 56% of your debt to income ratio. So these are the big changes right now for FHA with your debt to income ratio. For income documents, they want to see at least 2 years. If you're self-employed, tax returns. If you're not self-employed, if you work for a company, 2 years of W-2s and 1 month of paycheck stubs. Okay, so always remember that. And then if you went into a forbearance from COVID, you have to be out of that forbearance for 3 months. Okay, so you have to be out of that forbearance with COVID for 3 months if you're in that forbearance. The other thing that's very important is that if you lost your job from COVID, you have to be back to work for 30 days. Now, one thing I will say is that if you did lose your job to COVID and you received unemployment, you can use that unemployment income to help you to qualify for your loan because they're actually we are at least giving you credit for that if you had unemployment income from COVID. But if you lost your job and you're out of work, you have to be back to work for 30 days. The other thing is on public record, foreclosure 3 years out. FOC stands for foreclosure, 2 years from a bankruptcy. I'll fix that. 2 years out from a bankruptcy. Okay? So, yeah, you got to be 2 years from a bankruptcy discharge, 3 years from a foreclosure. And obviously, because of the new changes in laws, the judgments and liens are not actually showing up on your credit, so those won't show. But these are the main things that are changes for the FHA for 2021 that you're going to see in lending in America if you're trying to get a home loan. So obviously, we specialize in FHA. And as I said, if you have a 580 or higher, a lot of times we can help you with our credit booster to boost your credit score up to qualify to get the loan. Okay. So call or text our office if we can help you. We want to lock you in to get you. Interest rates are very, very low right now, guys. You could probably get your dream home for a much cheaper price than we could last year when rates were higher, and the year before even rates were higher. So interest rates are at all-time lows. Now is a great time, a great opportunity for you to lock in to get your home loan. So call or text me at 832-431-6331. I want to hear from you. And also, you can, in the YouTube description, you can actually click on that link and you can actually get signed up to get pre-approved right there on our online loan application. It's fully secure, and one of our lenders will contact you right away. And also, like I said, we do all different types of loans: private loans, hard money loans, bank statement, self-employed, no doc, Helocs, jumbo loans. So call or text us at 832-431-6331. I want to hear from you to be able to help you lock in your FHA loan. Thank you so much, and check out my next video. Bye-bye.